It's really good to remember these songs so you can actually have several conversations throughout the day. This is what I do at Angelitos with our preschoolers. They're here a couple days a week and they learn Spanish really quick. So if 2 and 3-year-olds can do it, you can do it. Vas a jugar, okay. Hello, familiaspanglish.
Hi,
Today we're doing part 2.
Today we're doing
Dos de mañana. If it's morning, you're going to say buenos días. If it's afternoon, you're going to say buenas tardes. And if it's evening, then you're going to say buenas noches. So you guys remember that from the first video. So this song is going to help you guys remember a couple of new phrases. Not everything. Everything?
maybe.
Couple new phrases. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás?
Estoy muy bien, vamos a jugar.
You're going to say jugar.
Hello friends, how are you? I am good. Let's go and play.
Yes, that's the English version. That's the translation. Good job. Okay,
Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? Estoy muy bien, vamos a jugar.
Okay, you can say something else like, so you'll learn different words. Buenos días. Go ahead, sing it and ask me.
Buenos días, ¿cómo estás?
Estoy muy bien. Vamos a cantar. Vamos a cantar. Or, vamos a caminar. So, cantar means sing. Y caminar means walk. Help you guys remember.
Subscribe on our video.
Thank you. We would appreciate that. Thumbs up.
I'm gonna make a sandcastle. Look.
That was so kind. Nice way to ask. Okay. What if it's not morning anymore? And now, so no es mañana, es tarde. It's afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How do you do it? ¿Cómo se dice?
Good afternoon.
En español.
Buenas tardes, ¿cómo estás? Estoy muy bien, vamos a jugar.
Jugar.
I said, good afternoon, ¿cómo estás?
Okay, so he always wants to play. So his word is jugar. What if you're going to go to school? Vas a estudiar. So you're going to say, buenas tardes, ¿cómo estás? Estoy muy bien, vamos a estudiar. Or you're going to go, I don't know, on a jog. Buenas tardes, ¿cómo estás? Estoy muy bien, vamos a trotar. So you could say you're going to go on a jog. You could say a ton of different things. But now you know you can say, buenas tardes, vamos a, good afternoon, we are going to, buenas tardes, vamos a. Yeah, it's not morning passed, you had a great day, afternoon passed, you had a great afternoon. Now it's nighttime.
Buenas noches, ¿cómo estás? Estoy muy bien, vamos a cachar.
Vamos a descansar. Yeah, you gotta take the gum out of your mouth. Okay, so descansar means to rest. All right, try it again. Buenas noches, ¿cómo estás?
Estoy muy bien, vamos a descansar.
A descansar, muy bien. Okay. So you just said, good night, how are you? I'm very well.
Vamos a jugar.
It's time to, let's rest, okay? So you can use that phrase all throughout the day.
Guys, don't turn it off. I'm going to show you something.
Okay.
This is going to be, Castle, this is going to be Catch it. Did somebody just
Toot.
Toot?
Yes, somebody tooted. The cameraman.
That's my brother. That's doing the thing.
Oh, chévere.
This is arena.
Parecen de verdad estos insectos. So we reviewed buenos días,
Buenos días.
good morning.
Morning.
How do you say good afternoon?
Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes.
And how do you say good night? Now it's nighttime. How do you say good night?
Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Estoy bien.
No vamos a jugar en la noche. Vamos a descansar. Okay, so you can use any verb. So you say buenos días, ¿cómo estás? Buenas tardes, ¿cómo estás? Buenas noches, ¿cómo estás? How are you doing, right? And then you say estoy muy bien. And then you're going to say what you're going to do. Yeah.
Close.
Okay, you could even say, how do you say, we're going to brush our teeth.
Buenas noches, ¿cómo estás? Estoy muy bien. Vamos a cepillar.
Okay, vamos a cepillar. Muy bien. Okay.
Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.
Are you doing your lap dance or something? ¿Vas a bailar? Baila. Depende plastic. Adiós amigos. Hasta luego, amigos. No, ya nos vamos. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego, niños. Bye.
In this video. Okay, a song to help you remember 3 new phrases.
How did my tooth come back?
Oh, your tooth is back. Diente. How do you say tooth in Spanish?
Diente.
Diente. Tu diente regresó.
It almost
Whoa.
fell out.
If people can say this stuff without missing teeth, you can do it. You can say it if you have regular teeth. Nah? Okay, if you know how to blow a bubble, give us some tips.
Okay, I'm going to try. Hey guys, so if we get 100 likes on this video, we will show you a whole school tour
Tool of our little school.
of our little school. Okay?
Esa escuelita pequeñita. Okay.
Okay.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Gracias por ver. I'm going to blow the bubble.
Okay.
I'm going to try to.
Okay.
It's hard.
It's hard when you're missing a front tooth.
I need to stretch it with my hand.
Oh, okay. Nada.
No,
It's okay.
no.
Next time.